Your pity. I just wanna love, but I'm way too busy. Rap moving up, I might come to your city. It's hot in the H, but my heart's still chilly. I just need a gram, some bread, and a quickie. If I ain't your man, I don't want no hickey. Right now I ain't shit, cause the road looks shitty. Been like that for months. I might roll a blunt and hit that shit once, cause the nigga been sober. I can't wait till the day the shit over. I used to walk around with a chip on my shoulder. For every last person I love who folded, I would give grace, but I'd rather give closure. I would take breaks, but I'd rather move forward. I done been chewed up, spit out, kicked out, let down, but I'm still a motherfucking soldier. So fuck what you told me if you showed me different. Fuck what you showed me if you came up missing. I know that actions speak louder than words. To think about channels, they never consistent. I didn't got paid more than I paid attention. I didn't feel pain more than I like to mention. Hard on my sleeve till it's left on the curb. When I smoke this herb, I can't make a decision.